From Digital Offensive, and you're watching CTF Minute. This is where I go over new tools and techniques and different things you can do not only for CTFs but also for your everyday pen test. Today we're going to look at a tool called Decodify. This is a great tool to quickly identify different hashes and be able to try to decode them. This tool supports a wide range of different Caesar ciphers, hex, decimal, binary, base64, URL, form chart, MD5, SHA-1, and SHA-2. I have used this tool on multiple occasions on different CTFs as well as my everyday pen testing. If I find a string that I'm not sure what it is, I usually throw it into this tool and have it quickly tell me what it is, and not only tell me what it is, but decode it for me. Let's take a look at this tool. Note before we start, I have forked this tool over to my GitHub repo, and you can download it from there. I fixed the MD5 checks in it. The MD5 and the SHA-1 checks use a third-party service to basically check the strings. Using something sensitive, I suggest that you do not use that service and use something else to decode that for you. Originally, the MD5 checks stopped working. The service provider, Nitrix Gen, changed their MD5 database from a HTTP to HTTPS. So all I did was make a small tweak to the code for that to now work, and now it's working again. So you can download this directly off my GitHub. Eventually, hopefully the owner will accept my commit, and then you can just download directly from the original GitHub repo. I'll post both in the description below. But let's get started here. All you have to do for this tool is we're going to come over here. We're going to click on right there to copy the get. We're going to come over to my tools directory. I keep most of my tools in here, so anytime I'm going to make a backup, I look in here of all the tools I have so I know what to download on my next Kali install. We'll paste that in here, and basically it downloads this. So we're going to do a CD into our Decodify. Once we're in our Decodify, we're going to type in make, and I like to do make install, because make install now will copy that over to my user /local /bin. So now I don't have to use /, I can just use decode directly. So what we're going to do here is we're going to try to decode a MD5 hash that we have here. Now, if you didn't know this was MD5 already, you can basically do a character count. You'll see it's 32 characters, and that will tell you it's MD5. However, let's just say we didn't know what it was. We're going to hit enter here, and Decodify is going to run, and you can see it's cracked the MD5 hash as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and also kind of detected some hex in there as well. So I tried to decode the hex as well, but you can see the hex did not decode. So now that we cracked the MD5 hash, let's also look at another example here. Let's try a base64. So let's copy this base64 string here, and all we're going to do is decode. And we're going to paste our string in, and we enter, and you can see decoded from base64. This is a super secret message, decoded to find the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you did not already know that it was base64, the equal sign kind of gives it away, but sometimes you won't see the equal sign, so you just have to understand what you're looking at. Decodify makes that step really simple. A great tool for CTFs as well as pen testing. I hope you enjoyed this CTF Minute, and I'll see you next time.